How to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Ensure that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, launch Play Store on your device. Tap the search icon at bottom right corner and the search bar at top of the screen. Type in TikTok. If you see update button, select that and update it to the latest version. Exit from here and then open settings on your device. Scroll down. Select apps. Tap app management. Now wait patiently until every apps get loaded. Tap the search bar. Type in TikTok. Open it. Now tap storage uses and tap clear cache. Once you do that, you need to upload a video or photo on your TikTok. And once you do that, you will easily fix TikTok photo swipe not working. So hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.